Hello everybody, this is Sammy again. I've been using my color pencil box a lot and it's all torn up. I needed something to hold on my color pencil. So I decided to make a color pencil holder. For this project, we will need the following items: glue stick, a pair of scissors, a stapler, some strings, and 2 paper plates or plastic plates. The first step is to cut one plate in half. Bringing the second plate and put the other half on it, like so. Use the stapler and staple the 2 plates together by stapling around the edges. Alright everyone, we're halfway done. Wasn't that easy? Now we're going to decorate the color pencil holder. Wait, I forgot an item. It's a white piece of paper. You might want to pause the video and go get one right now. Now that you have the paper, we're going to cut 3 small strips like this. Next, we're gonna cut a circular piece. We'll use the glue stick and trace the circle around it. Go ahead and cut out the circle piece. Now cut the small strip into half. What we're gonna do now is we're going to decorate it like a cat. You want to put some glue in the middle of the plate like this. Then we will glue on the circle piece for the nose. Next, we're gonna glue on the small strip to make the whisker. We'll put 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. Now we're going to add the string to the holder. We're gonna staple on both sides of the plate. If your string is long like mine, you can fold it in half. And there we have it, a color pencil holder.